Hey, Steve from the Graphite Lab here. Let's talk about putting your dispatch fee automatically on every job. First thing we're going to do is navigate to settings. We will then find job types. We can then jump in here to duct cleaning. Let's go to default services. Let's add HVAC diag 100, save it, done. Diagnostic fee applied to every single duct cleaning job that we have. Feel free, go into every job type you've got, apply that default service, it'll drop it on that invoice. If you want it off, someone has to pull it off manually. Thanks so much, hope all's well. See you next time.